Hi there guys, welcome back to Van Creations. Today we're going to be swapping out these black sidebars on this T6 for some stainless steel ones. The one reason that we don't recommend the black ones is due to rust and stone chips, and if you are going to go with black sidebars, we highly recommend that you go for the stainless steel ones that have been powder coated rather than the mild steel ones that look like this. As you can see here on the front part of it, where on these sidebars where your wheel is going to be flicking up the stones, you tend to get these little spots where all the gravel rash hits this and it causes it to rust. Being just mild steel, it just rusts. As soon as the powder coating's gone, that's it, it just starts falling apart and they all start rotting, and that's why we highly recommend having stainless steel ones powder coated rather than the mild steel ones. You can see it here as well where something's hit it, and then where you're getting in and out of the driver's door, which is right on that location, it ends up just causing that. And once it starts rotting, it just spreads more and more and more until that will just literally be a hole. So highly recommend not going for the mild steel ones that are powder coated, because as you can see on that as well, all the way along there's more and more spots, and it's the same on the other side. And even on this back piece, this is all just going to be literally falling apart, and there's nothing you can do to stop that. Once it starts, it's set in. So if you're going to do it, go for the stainless steel ones that have been powder coated, and we're going to actually swap these ones out from black to stainless steel instead. guys, as you can see, we've managed to replace these sidebars on this T6. We've got the stainless steel ones on there now instead of the powder coated black ones, and you know, these ones are going to last a lot longer because they're resistant to the stone chipping and obviously all the bad weather and salts on the road. So we recommend the stainless steel ones. Even if you want black ones, get the stainless steel ones powder coated black, because it just lasts a lot longer than the mild steel ones that have been powder coated. So now this van's all ready to go, and we've got those stainless steel ones on, and it's looking great. Right guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be looking to put out more videos soon. Until then, see you next time.